Hi, so you are speeding down the highway. The police then signal you to stop. You pull over your vehicle and the police said, "Sir, you have exceeded the speed limit by 20 kilometers. Is the police obligated to show you his speed radar? Well, we're going to be exploring that in this video.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police.
Alright, hi my Jamaican friends and family. This is Sergeant Kevin Watts of the Noble Cop. So I know I have not uploaded a video in a while because I've been really busy with this new initiative called the Zones of Special Operations. I've been working as sector commander and also as the operations secretariat. However, I want to talk about whether or not the police is legally obligated to show you a speed radar when you are stopped for speeding, when he or she stops you for speeding. And many persons do have a problem. They believe that the police is legally obligated to show them the speed radar. So, let me just clear that up. Is the police really legally obligated to show you the speed radar? The answer is no. Out of courtesy, if you ask to see the speed radar, he can show you. However, when you are stopped, you have a speedometer in your vehicle. You're supposed to be able to see whether or not you're speeding. So if you look on your speedometer and it's working properly and you know that you have not been going at speed, you can always challenge it in court, But I have checked through all the legislations. The Road Traffic Act of Jamaica does not say anything about the police being legally obligated to show any speedster his speed radar. But I have not found anything in the policies within the JCF which outline that a police is legally obligated to show you his speed radar when you're caught speeding. Where it is important though is that if you decide to challenge the police in court, then he has to provide the information, and not only that, he has to outline to the court that he knows how to use the device. He has to explain to the court how the device works and that he was trained properly with the device. Alright? So that's it, my YouTube friends and family. This is a very short video. I can't spend too long with you today, but as usual, give me your feedback, comment down below, and remember to subscribe to see more content. I will try my best to upload more often, especially that I will have a little bit more time in the coming days. Alright? Have a great day.